Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own invoices on your site or store on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, it is very easy to do this. It is literally embedded or integrated into the site very well. As you can see, you have the invoicing panel to your left, and that is exactly what we're going to click on. So once we go to invoicing, you can modify or create invoices and projects, and as you can see, you can browse this main menu over here, but we're going to click on invoices. And as you can see, because my invoices menu is empty, you have the option to create your first invoice, which you can send professionally and seamlessly to collect payments from clients. Usually you're going to do this with larger corporations or corporations in general. Your customers that purchase your products do not need invoices as far as I'm aware. However, I might be mistaken on that part. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on create invoice, and you have this button all the time, even if you have a list of invoices here. And as you can see, you can add a new client, you can select an existing client, or add yourself as a test client. In this case, this is exactly what I'm going to do. You can add your first name and last name. I'm just going to add random letters, and you have the email address. Then you click continue, and you can then create an invoice for you. Now, as you can see, you have your invoice right over here. You can change the content over here. You can change the due date. You can change the menu or the memo. You can change the name as well. And you can do a couple of different things. You can add a line item such as photography services. I'll just type photos. Item type is service. Quantity 1, price per unit, I'm going to say 20. And now that you've done this, you can click done, and that should change the amount on the invoice. There we go. You can also apply a discount if you want, and it's in percentage. So I'm just going to click 10%, for example, and that's going to change it to 18. And you can also change the settings such as global email styles and business settings. That is completely up to you. But here you can just click send the invoice, and you can connect payment processors if you haven't already, which I haven't. But once you connect those, you'll send the invoice, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.